Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glow with the Flow. Today's video is the most awaited and requested one, as everyone wants soft, glowing, fair and shiny skin. So here I am with an amazing remedy which will instantly lighten and brighten your skin tone. Before getting into the video, I would like to tell you people that these remedies are suitable for all skin types. As said before, these remedies are tested and balanced really well, and they will give you 100% results if you use them patiently. I'll introduce two different remedies which will work immediately, and you will get all the products easily from your kitchen. Recipe number 1 is apple cream. Apple is a miracle fruit for the skin. The alpha hydroxy acids or AHA present in the apples improves the skin color and elasticity of the skin. Step number 1 is soak peeled apple slices in milk for 20 minutes and then blend to form a creamy paste. Step number 2, place the paste in the freezer for 10 minutes and then mix a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply all over your face and neck or as desired. Step number 3, rinse off after 15 minutes with cold water and massage an ice cube. The skin looks baby soft, smooth with a rosy white glow. Follow this for a week to get fair skin naturally. Recipe number 2 is curd and turmeric mask. This is one of the best natural remedies to get fair skin instantly. The lactic acid and turmeric is an anti-aging and fairness agent. Step number 1 is mix a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey and 3 tablespoons of thick fresh curd. Step number 2, mix it well and keep it in refrigerator for 20 minutes. And apply this cold paste on your clean face. Step number 3, wash off after 15 minutes. It incredibly nourishes the skin, improves the skin texture, and adds a white, golden glow to the skin. Use this pack every alternate day for the best fairness results. Thanks a ton for joining me. In order to stay connected, do subscribe to my YouTube channel.